Hello my friends, this is Maltenan for maltenan.com, and I've been asked a couple of times to convert the DNA chain tutorial that you see in here and also in here to CS3, since this is downloadable only in CS4 as far as project file is concerned. So I actually decided to do it right now, and of course, converting a CS4 project to CS3 is always a pain because you have to rebuild everything, right? Because as most of you know, those formats are not convertible. You can't really convert something from CS4 to CS3, so you can actually, the only thing you can do is to actually rebuild the whole project. So I actually found out that there are a few ways to make that easier for you. So I'm gonna convert it live as you watch this video. Maybe not the whole thing, but basically we'll show you what the shortcuts are. So here we go. I've got my CS4 opened. So at first I thought maybe I can just, copy and paste things. Unfortunately, that doesn't work. But what I can do is I'm just gonna do it like that and open up my CS3 in here. Okay, so what do I have? I have to start with the size comp, as I remember. Okay, so I'm just gonna create a new comp, 600 by 300, that's fine. And add a new solid. I'm just gonna go very quickly through this and add another solid. And what else? I'm just gonna do it like that. Okay, that's good. And what else do I have in here? Size. And I've got ramp, colorama, and fast blur. Okay, so then I thought, okay, maybe if I have the solid and everything, I can just simply copy those. But unfortunately, as expected, that didn't really work. See, I'm just pasting it in, as you can see, but nothing happens. Okay, so I thought, okay, I'm just gonna add the effects, so let's just go ahead, ramp, colorama, and fast blur. Okay, so the ramp was set at default, the output cycle was ramp gray, kind of, and maybe 88, 88, 88, and in here 88, 88, 88 as well. This one should be white. This one should be white as well, something like that. And then the blur was set to about 4 vertical. And then I thought, okay, maybe, sure, I had to rebuild everything and do all that stuff, put the effects, set the parameters, but maybe I don't really actually have to do that. So let's just try that. I'm just gonna reset my fast blur and go back here and go to fast blur and just copy the fast blur and paste it in here. Doesn't work. Well, I thought, okay, I just gotta do the whole thing from scratch, but not really. If you're gonna twirl the fast blur down on or any given effect and you select all the parameters in here and then copy them, so Control C or Command C on a Macintosh, you can actually go to your effects and paste it. And that way it creates the effect, as you can see, or you can just select this one and paste it in here. See how beautiful that is? Okay, so that's the whole trick. It's not really much, but in case you've got like 100 different parameters to copy to cross-check, it really makes your life easier. So unless it's not gonna take very long, I'm gonna do the whole thing from scratch. So this is our size comp, and then we had the opacity, which was made from the size comp as well. And let's see what we had there. Opacity, and we had linear wipe and CC light sweep. You know what? I'm just gonna try do it like that. I wonder if this will work. Let's see the effects. Haha! Sweet! Okay, great. Oh, but the light sweep didn't actually copy correctly. But okay, who cares? Maybe if we, oh yeah, because we didn't select every single parameter, right? We only got the center selected. So right now, if I'm gonna copy that and copy, C, copy, and click here and paste it. Haha, everything's fine. So cool. What's that? Oh, I've copied the wrong keyframes. Okay, again, move to the beginning, select the effect, paste it, and that's sweet. Okay, we've got that done. Let's call this opacity, and then we had our final DNA comp like that. I'm gonna put those two in, turn them off, and create a new solid like that. And now comes the big thing, because right now we've got the form layer to take care of, and I wonder if this will work. I'm just gonna twiddle this open like that, and we've got all the parameters. Okay, so particle, what I need, layer maps. I think I need layer maps, color and alpha, and size. And I think that's it. So let's see if this will work. If I'm just gonna do it like that, and here and here, I wonder if it creates the whole thing, or do I have to actually add the form effect? Okay, here goes. Paste. Nah, gotta add the form. Okay. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I didn't actually figure that out yet. I'm just, excited. I just noticed it, so I'm recording it, with excitement and just, checking things out as we go. I'm probably not gonna even edit this tip tutorial. Okay, so I've got the form selected and paste. Nothing happens. Okay, probably because we've got those, those nested parameters that go in a given category and then in a subcategory and so on and so forth. So, okay, I'm gonna be just as happy if this will work. I'm gonna copy each section separately. And form. Haha, that did work. Okay, so I needed base form. I probably needed the particle, so I'm gonna copy the particle. And then again, it's just easier to select it in here. Works like a charm. Okay, layer maps. Didn't work. Layer maps, color and alpha. Why didn't it work? Maybe if I go layer maps, color and alpha and do it like that. No, didn't work. Let's just try it again. Opacity. Oh, because we don't have the fifth layer called opacity. That makes sense. It does make sense because this parameter is actually based on what you have in your composition. It's not like lightness to A, like something that you've got, inside of a plugin. But if that's it, then this parameter should go through. But on the other hand, since the first one didn't go through, maybe it ignored the whole thing. I'm just guessing here. So let's just try to make the opacity our fifth layer, just for experiment. Opacity should be fifth, so let's put it in here. We need a camera, so that will make it 4, and we need an adjustment layer, and that would make it 5. Okay, so let's try it again. Copy it like that, Control C, go here, select these, paste. Nah, didn't work. Okay, so let's just do it like that, the old-fashioned way, and map over X and Y. Okay, works. Something's not right. Particle. Did it copy the particle? Yeah, it did copy the particle. I don't know what's going on. Oh yeah, the size. Of course, we need to copy the size as well, and unfortunately we have to do it manually. Map over X and Y. Okay, that's good. And what else? Everything else should be fine. Oh, the twist. Dispersion and twist. Those are simple, but just to check if it works, we're gonna just paste them in here. These worked. I wonder why that is. Okay, the last thing is what? Okay, we can change the background color, of course. Do it like that. And the last thing is the camera itself, and I believe something on the adjustment layer as well. Okay, the glow. So we're gonna add the glow to our adjustment layer. Glow. I wonder if the camera is gonna go through. It's like a native object, so maybe it will. Nothing, you know, third party like trapcode form, for example. Okay, glow. Let's just twirl down all the parameters of the glow. Copy them like that. Select the glow in here and paste them. Haha, sweet. Okay, that did work, and now the only thing left to do is the camera itself. So I'm just gonna copy the transform of the camera and paste it in here. That did work. And the zoom and all the depth parameters. That did work, but for some reason didn't change much. Maybe I didn't copy something from the render. Oh yeah, probably have to turn on the depth of field. Okay, so there you go. Doesn't look really much the same. I wonder why that is. Probably didn't copy something. Let's see. It seems to be exactly like that. Let's just make it 1 second. Oh, it's 1 frame. Okay. Maybe a 2-second marker and go to a 2-second marker and compare those two. It kind of look the same, but if I turn the glow off, I wonder what's causing this. Form. Let's just check the form parameters. Dov square. Okay. What else? Visibility, probably. Oh, yes, probably something in the visibility as well. Yes, that's right. So without, retyping, we're gonna go down to the visibility option and hope that it will just simply copy paste. And haha, it did work. Okay, guys, so here you go. A DNA chain tutorial in CS3 is ready for you, so I'm just gonna save it. DNA chain CS3, just like that. Compress it. Yep, that's right. Send it over and publish. And here we go. Let's see if it's there. Ta-da! Here we go, guys. I hope you will enjoy this CS3 version and that this short tip will hopefully help you with converting your projects down from CS4 to CS3. Until next time, this is Moltanen. Happy After Effecting.